I've learned that you can't trust a method or a style of teaching or a pedagogy just because someone told you that it was a good idea. Everything that Diane shares with us is heavily based in research. That's where her expertise lies. So to have that knowledge base of research for us to say, oh, this is a good practice, we see teachers do this all the time. And for her to ask, okay, where's the research to back that up? And for us to just go, I don't know. It's really revelatory how many things we take for granted as educators that, oh yeah, this is good for the kids. Well, where's the evidence? Maybe it's been good in your experience with your particular classroom culture, but this may not work across the country. And that's the goal of our work here, to create lessons and strategies that can be implemented nationwide in any classroom culture. So she's really helped to keep us aware that whatever we do, whatever step we take, has to be based firmly in research.